Hello students, very warm welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Rayat Online School Education, that is Rose Project 2021-22. I am Mrs. Patil V.S. from Sadhguru Gadge Maharaj College, Karad. My subject is English. Today we are going to see an evaluation of 11th standard. Students, you know that evaluation is an integral part of our learning process. So it is very important to learn about evaluation. Before going to start, let me see the important features of evaluation. Evaluation pattern increases learning ability of students. It enhances students' vocabulary and enriches their communication skills. Activities under creativity and grammar make students think a lot. Now let me see the whole year evaluation. It will be unit test first for 25 marks, first semester for 50 marks, unit test second for 25 marks, annual examination for 80 marks, and oral test for 20 marks. Total 200 marks. Now let me see the activity sheet format of 80 marks. Section 1 Prose, reading for comprehension, language study, summary, note making or mind mapping. Question 1A, read the extract and complete the activities given below for 12 marks. There will be a scene extract from prose section consisting of 275 to 300 words. And activities will be like this. A1, global understanding for 2 marks. This is general understanding, and activities in this will be like complete the web chart, flow chart, or true false, etc. Any one activity of these. A2, complex factual for 2 marks. For example, give reasons or find, etc. or describe. A3, inference, interpretation or analysis for 2 marks. In this, activities will be like this: find, prove or conclude. A4, personal response for 2 marks, in which activities like you have to give your opinions, thoughts on asked question. A5, language study for 2 marks. There will be 2 grammatical items in this question. And A6, vocabulary for 2 marks. Now question 1B, language study. This is non-textual grammar for 4 marks. In this, B1, do as directed or transformation of sentence for 3 marks. And B2, spot the error for 1 mark. Question 2, read the extract and complete the activities given below for 18 marks. There will be unseen extract consisting of 275 to 300 words. And activities will be like this: A1, global understanding for 2 marks, A2, complex factual for 2 marks, A3, inference or interpretation or analysis type activity for 2 marks, A4, personal response for 2 marks, A5, language study for 2 marks, and A6, vocabulary for 2 marks. Now question 1 2B, summary writing for 3 marks. We have to write a summary of given passage with the help of given points or hints. Don't forget to give a suitable title. Then question 2C, note making for 3 marks. There will not be a mind mapping question for the standard, and there will be another unseen extract for note making. Section 2, poetry and appreciation. Question 3A, read the extract and complete the activities given below for 10 marks. There will be a scene extract from poetry section of 10 to 15 lines, and activities will be like this: A1, global understanding for 2 marks, A2, inference or interpretation or analysis for 2 marks. A3 personal response for 2 marks. A4 poetic device for 2 marks. A5 creativity for 2 marks. Here you have to compose 2 to 4 lines at your own. Now B question appreciation for 4 marks. There will be another scene extract from poetry section of 10 to 15 lines. Section 3 writing skills and activities in this are: question 4 complete the activities as per the instructions given below for 16 marks. A. Email or letter writing. There will be only formal letter for 4 marks. You have to attempt any one of these two. B. Expansion of idea or blog writing or film review. For 4 marks, you have to attempt any one of these three. C. Appeal writing or leaflet writing or report writing or view counter view for 4 marks. You have to attempt any one of these 4. And D question speech writing or comparing or dialogue writing or interview for 4 marks. You have to attempt any one of these 4. Now section 4 literary genre drama. Question 5A. Complete the activities as per the instructions given below for 4 marks. One question. Activities on history of English drama for 2 marks. And second, activities on history of English drama for 2 marks. See the questions here. For example, multiple choice questions or match the columns or chronological order or fill in the blanks or true false or elements of drama. Remember, these activities are framed on unit number 4.1, that is history of English drama. B question. Answer in about 50 words to the questions given below for 4 marks. Questions are framed on elements such as plot or structure or theme or setting or language or character. And questions are like this. 1. Describe or explain or compare or contrast or name or discuss for 2 marks. Any one of these is asked. And the second, illustrate or interpret or narrate or justify or find or identify for 2 marks. And these activities are framed on unit number 4.2, that is the rising of the moon. Then C question, answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. Questions are framed on elements such as plot or structure or theme or setting or language or character for 4 marks. Here one question, question number 1, describe or explain or compare or contrast or name or discuss for 2 marks. Any one of these asked. And the second is illustrate or interpret or narrate or justify or find or identify for 2 marks. And these activities are framed on unit number 4.3 A, that is A Midsummer Night's Dream. Now question D. Answer in about 50 words to the questions given below. Questions are framed on elements such as plot or structure or theme or setting or language or character for 4 marks. Question first. Describe or explain or compare or contrast or name or discuss for 2 marks. And question 2. Illustrate or interpret or narrate or justify or find or identify for 2 marks. So there will be different activities on these questions. And these activities will be framed on unit number 4.3, that is an enemy of the people. Let me see the distribution of marks as per the sections in the activity sheet. For example, prose section carries 34 marks, Poetry section carries 14 marks. Writing skill section carries 16 marks. Drama section carries 16 marks. Total 80 marks. So this is about activity sheet format. Now let me see the format of oral examination. Oral test will be for 20 marks, in which testing listening will be for 10 marks. For example, listen and write the sentences for 5 marks, or listen the poem and write the gist, figures of speech or rhyming words for 5 marks, or listen the story and write the gist, moral or your opinion for 5 marks. Remember, any 2 items will be asked for testing listening. Then speaking skill for 10 marks, in which there will be these types of questions: to tell a story for 5 marks, to recite a poem for 5 marks, to describe a junior college or class teacher etc. for 5 marks, or to report a celebration of Republic Day or Teachers Day etc. for 5 marks. Any two will be asked for speaking skill. So in this way we have seen activity sheet format and oral test format. Thank you.